Hi Taurus, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your forecast for April 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some oracle decks. Taurus, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. I would also like to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of March, stepping into April 2022, we have the Four of Pentacles. Possibly, many Taurans, you were dealing with financial matters. It was uppermost on your mind. Maybe you were feeling a financial lack, or maybe money was flowing out. Even work-wise, I think there may have been work offers, outstation work offers, but then the money on offer may have been very little or not. Even while working, I think you may have felt that colleagues weren't systematic. Or perhaps many Taurans, you were also busy with accountancy work or bookkeeping. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that April is going to present for Taurus is the Page of Swords. This Page of Swords is a very active. This is a person who is very forceful, who wants to get things done, but this is in the challenge position. So you need to work that much harder if you want to sail ahead or you want to forge ahead this April. Maybe you are somebody who wants to take a back seat. I think you need to focus that much harder at work if you want to forge ahead. Or you should also make allowances because opportunities could fizzle away. Perhaps Taurus, you should also be very firm while dealing with others. You should take matters headlong. Influences for April, we have the Queen of Pentacles. I think you will make gains, but then you should also look at the larger picture. Maybe sometimes we feel that we have made a profit or we have made a killing, but in hindsight it could be otherwise. I think you should also assert yourself rather than let people take advantage of you. Taurans, in this month there could also be those moments when you feel let down. Maybe technical gadgets are also going to frustrate you, or your health could also bother you. Perhaps Taurus, this month you should also be kindly disposed towards others. Incidentally, the first 10 days of April we have the Hangman. Like I said, you could be concerned about your health. So this could be a very frustrating time mentally or physically, so you should take sufficient rest. The work pressure could also tell on you. Sometimes, you may feel as though you're sacrificing yourself or that you're hanging in a limbo. You don't know how to proceed in life. Largely, in case you're working, I think Taurans, you need to prioritize. You need to adjust your schedule. Maybe work could come up at short notice and you have to look into those affairs. Besides Taurus, you should also feel free to take assistance from others. While working also, Taurans, you need to focus doubly hard. Maybe you have a tendency to overlook the details, especially in the first 10 days. Nevertheless, I think the energy is such that you will be able to complete a lot. Maybe for some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be differences with colleagues or with family members over way money is put to use, and this could make you quite irritable this month. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th April, we had the Six of Cups. You see this lady, she seems to be in a nostalgic mood. So some kind of separation could be there in a relationship which is making you quite reminiscent of the past. Ironically, Taurans, in these days you could be also playing the peacemaker. Professionally, I think you should tap into your contacts or your relatives or acquaintances because networking is going to benefit you. You can expect gains. I think there could also be changes in the work environment, so you need to adjust. You're also going to be quite temperamental this month because of unexpected work or tasks that come up at short notice. This is going to test your patience, but then, like I said, the energy flow is such that you will be able to complete a lot. Maybe you believe the boss is someone who is overloading you with work. That is why you want to leave the job, or maybe your colleague is also quite critical of your ideas. So these are the challenges in store for you in April which you need to overcome. The final days of April, that is towards 21st to 30th April, we have the Six of Swords. So another 6 in your reading. Definitely this card is asking you to sail with the changes. Maybe there's also going to be movement. At the last minute everything will fall in place for you. Perhaps Taurans, you're also going to be somebody who's quite undecided about how you should proceed. But like I said, everything will fall in place for you eventually. Maybe you're also going to be someone who's going to be socializing in this time. You will be enjoying good food, but this could affect your health. Communication is also going to bring in gains at this time. So you need to capitalize even if you're tentative or even if you're undecided. Again, throughout the month, I'm picking up that you need to adjust your schedule. You need to be very flexible. Taurus, in case you're the leader of the pack, you should also be careful because there are rivals who are going to instigate a section of the workers. So you need to keep that in mind. I think there could be a section of workers who could attack you over your decisions. Nevertheless, I think payment is also going to come in at this time. With respect to your love life, I have this card, sorry that I hurt you. Perhaps, Taurus, you are feeling let down in a relationship. Maybe this person has crushed your spirit because you see this lady, or the imagery here talks about this lady having a flower in her hand which seems withered and crushed. This person is definitely remorseful about the way things have turned out this month. Possibly, Taurus, you could also be someone who is going to spurn the advances of your admirers. Maybe you're someone who has feelings for this person, but then you're also sorry because you know that it may not work out in the end. Incidentally, this month I'm also picking up that maybe there could be a reconnection with someone from your past. Maybe this person is someone whom you have met on account of your professional decisions or because of your respective professions, but then you also know the limitations that are going to be there in this relationship. Ideally, I think, Taurus, you should go with the flow of life rather than feel sorry about how things have turned out in your life. Possibly many of you could also be dealing with an ex-flame here. On the other hand, romancing, Taurus, I think you can enjoy dinner dates, or there'll be a flurry of messages from your person. Sometimes, you could also assume too much. Maybe there are disagreements here, or you're going to presume that this person hasn't been honest with you, but you should give this person the benefit of the doubt. I think, Taurus, you need to be more romantic this month, but you want to give the relationship time and space. You should also be careful in case yours is a secret romance, because someone could talk about your secret romance and this could torment you. Incidentally, the Six of Swords is also telling me that maybe some of you want to travel to be with your person, or maybe your person and you are physically apart because of certain responsibilities, whether professionally or otherwise. That is why we also have this card, Abandon. I think this card is telling you that you should understand that there could be times when you may feel as though you have been left to yourself, whether professionally or whether on the home front or in your personal life. I think in case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you should maintain your cool. Maybe you're quite suspicious about your partner, or you may also crush your person's spirit by disregarding his opinions or his plans. From Lenormand, we have this card, Man. Maybe you're going to embody the leadership qualities which are there in the masculine this month, or maybe you are also dealing with a male figure who is going to play an important role or a significant part in your life. We did clarify the man, and this man talks about the heart. Possibly, some of you are dealing with a work-related romance here. You're going to be quite flirtatious this month, or there are suitors who are vying for your attention this month. This heart card is also telling me that you need to be very creative, you need to be open to new ideas, and you should go with the flow of life. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.